G'day everyone, today we're going to be making an all-time Italian classic, and that is pizza. First off the bat, what you're going to be needing to do is preheat your oven. You're going to be needing to preheat it up to 250 degrees. If you can go even higher, that is even better. Pizza is a fast cooking dish. Next, for your yeasty water, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and 1.5 cups of warm water. Allow that to rest for 5 minutes. For your dry ingredients, it's really straightforward. You're just going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a generous pinch of salt, and thoroughly mix that through together. After all that, in a large bowl, oil that up, and then in the same bowl that you've got your dry mixture, put in your yeasty water. I do half a cup at a time to make sure it gets to the dough-like consistency of my preference. After you've done that, transfer it all over to your oiled up bowl, put some cling wrap on top and allow that to rest for 30 minutes. After you've done that, on a floured surface, you're going to knead your dough for up to 10 to 15 minutes until it is nice and soft and bouncy. You'll notice that your dough is bouncy when you can be able to indent it and it starts to push back, and as well as that it's nice and smooth. After you've done that, you're going to divide it up into 4 pieces, and then you're going to put that onto cling wrap for 15 minutes. After it's rested, using some semolina flour, you're going to roll out your dough into a nice thin round disc. I'm using gravity to kind of drag and stretch it around, and once you've done that, you're going to put on a 2 to 3 tablespoons of passata, and you're going to spread that with the back of the spoon and sprinkle some cheese on top. That's a bit of an Eagle Boys secret, and it will help your toppings stick down nice and firmly. After you've done your toppings, you're going to sprinkle a bit more cheese. And I'm also going to be making a spinach pizza because I absolutely love that, and you're going to be repeating the same process. Passata, cheese, topping, and then more cheese. Put that in the oven for up to 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown, and then slice it up, and voila! You have made a delicious golden scrumdiddlyumptious pizza. I really do hope that you enjoy this, and please do tell me if you do make it at home. I want to be able to see how your pizzas come out. Also, share this with your friends and family, and do follow me both on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok.